So morning guys, got a little bit of a problem with the Corsa. The door handle doesn't work again. So at the Vauxhall show, Lewis had a trouble after the speech getting into the car and he had to climb through the passenger side. Then it was fine and we've been using it like on every weekend, and then for the past 3 weeks it's just started playing up and I can't get in my car unless I put the window down. So I'm just going to show you this now. So if I lock it and unlock it, I don't know what's going on. I'm thinking maybe when I drilled the lock and put an L-shaped bracket in there, I might have caught one of the springs inside the locking mechanism and now maybe it's just ruined. So, but then again, look, if I do this and then come back to the door handle, we work. So I don't know what's going on. So I'm going to go to work with it this morning and figure it out and see what we can sort out. So I will get back to you when I'm back at work and we've got the door card off. So I've managed to get to work and we've got the door card off now. Oh, don't know if you can see that. So every time I seem to lock the car, the catch don't want to work. So I'm guessing it's the catch. So I'm going to dig the catch out and then we're going to have a look and see what's going on with it. I think I may have to move the L-shaped bracket somewhere and put a rivet in somewhere else, but I'll catch back up in a minute and let you know. So I've disconnected the cable off the catch and tried it again. It completely works. So I'm guessing the cable might be too tight. So I'm just going to adjust my little noggin and see how that goes. Wish me luck, because if this don't fix it, I don't know what will, and I might have to buy a new catch and start all over again, or maybe a new cable. I'm not too sure, but I'm hoping it's just this cable. I'm going to adjust it and I'll get back to you and see if it's still working or not. So hopefully you can hear me because someone's revving up a truck. So what I think's happening is this here, because I've had to have this like sit down slightly, when you lock it, it's not letting the mechanism inside work correctly. So now that's back up there, this all works properly. So I'm going to bend my L-shaped bracket that I've put on the bottom here to try and lengthen it a bit to allow this to come up, because obviously I had the cable too tight, so it was sitting down here. So I'm hoping if I bend this down, we'll be able to get the extra slack out of this and be able to pull this back down. So I can't really film it while I'm playing around with it, so if this does work, I will get back to you shortly. Whoop! So we're finally working at last. There we go. So it was a combination of things. I needed to reroute a cable in there. I don't think you can really see it. I've had to bend the bracket and adjust the tightness of the cable. 1 second, let me shut the door. But we can finally, hopefully, hope this works on camera. I don't look like an idiot. Lock it, unlock it. Whoop whoop. So thanks for tuning in on this little video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And finally, I have my Corsa working. Cheers.